Hello and welcome to Lazy Gardener. Today I'm going to show you how to seed save from a tombola squash. Let's get started.
Some people dream of good things. Very few people stay away.
Okay, so this is my tombola squash and it is the bottom section that has the seeds in it. So I grew this last summer and I grew it as a winter squash, okay, but it's already February and it's getting a little bit squishy in places, so before it goes off I'm going to save the seeds and cook it. So this is how I'm going to be saving the seeds. Now I hand fertilised these squashes and I only grew one type of squash in this area last year. So it should be a proper tombola squash. So in here you see so many seeds. There. So they're the seeds that you want. Obviously that one's not very fertile, but you've got these bigger seeds. I'd only grow the bigger seed, and you can just scritch them out with your hand and pop them into this bucket here. That's just off screen. And what you're going to do basically is dry them out into onto a plate.